In this video, you will learn how to get your HSBC activation code. First, open the HSBC app or website. Start by launching the HSBC mobile banking app or visit the HSBC online banking website. Select register or activate. Choose the option to register or activate your online banking depending on your location and your HSBC service. Enter your personal details. You will be asked to provide information such as your account number, date of birth, and possibly a security number or PIN. Receive your activation code. HSBC will send an activation code via SMS or mail, depending on your selected method. Enter the activation code. Once it is received, enter the code in the app or in your online banking portal to complete your registration or activation. Create a login details. After verifying the code, you'll be prompted to create a username, password and set up security questions. Now you know how to get activation code on the HSBC banking app or website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.